Hey guys, I'm Davina, and welcome to A Well-Nourished Life, where I share simple, healthy recipes. Today, I'm bringing in my culture. We're making Filipino BBQ chicken. Yes, that's right. We're making the semi-healthy version of it. It's sweet, it's savory, it's delicious. So let's get to making it.
Here's a view of all of the ingredients. The full recipe is listed on the website, linked below. The key ingredient. Now that we have the marinade all good to go, we're moving on to the part that is not so cute. We're gonna be slicing the chicken up. So I'm gonna put on my gloves. These are obviously optional, but I just want to make sure that I just don't like touching raw chicken. Sorry, sue me. Okay, and I've got the non-GMO pasture-raised slow-grown chicken. It's very important. I know I've said this in other videos if you watch my other chicken videos, but get pasture-raised. Support local farmers or farmers that are committing to ethical practices. So that's what we're gonna do. The brim, oh my MG, what's gonna happen? Okay, stay tuned. If you have one of these quartz containers, I'm transferring all of this over because it was too small, my cute little bowl. So these quartz containers are great. I have them because I do a lot of catering. I'm just gonna link the product below so that you guys could also get one of these. They're just great to have, like even just one of them, just for instances like this, or if you're planning on like making a big batch of something. So, and clean and then sanitize, like literally this entire, you can just sanitize this entire area. Okay, this chicken is now marinating. I'm going to pop this into the fridge and just let this soak and marinate and get all the juicy flavors in there. It's morning time right now, and I'm gonna grill these, put them on the skewer and grill them later on for dinner. So, and you can also, options, also marinate this like the day before and just have it marinating overnight so that it's easy. Just throw them in the skewers and then grill them up and it's good to go. You have an easy dinner. So yeah, we'll just let these dudes stay in the fridge. We're gonna thread the chicken onto the bamboo skewers, and I'm gonna use gloves for this process. Okay, and I have 2 sheet pans. Take the skewer and then just thread it through. Your skewers just like that. Okay, I did it. I put all of the chicken on the skewers, sanitized the table because chicken, and now I'm gonna go turn on the grill so we can start firing these up. Okay, so we just grilled them off, and now you have this beautiful Filipino barbecue chicken. All right, here we have it. A Filipino barbecue chicken. This literally brings me back to my childhood, and I tweaked the recipe in a way so that it has the lesser of the evil kind of ingredients. So like the healthy alternatives to this very unique, sweet, savory barbecue. So let's try it out. Let's try it out. Which one should I do? Which one? Which one? Okay, oops. All right, cheers. Damn, that is so freaking good. We'll try it out. If you like this recipe, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions. And the full recipe, as always, is linked down below on www.davinapalazzo.com. And until next time, cheers to a well-nourished life. All right, much love.